Here's what I got in my box this week, everybody. Right away, I love this, that on top are things that don't need to be cold. I have my whole wheat sprouted flatbreads. These make really good personal pizzas. One of these rice ramen. The Parmesan crisps. These are just baked Parmesan cheese. They are a great little snack. They're also good on salads like croutons. Inside here, it's so cold. I've got my ice pack, which is a little melty because I do live in Florida, so by the time they get here, they're a little melty. All right, let's see what I have. This is a ginger rescue ginger shot, and it is ginger and turmeric and apple cider vinegar. I've got 2 of these chickpea curries. The Hope Foods organic guacamole. This is so good, and it has green chili in it. Really like this stuff. The Hungryroot lemon tahini. This is a really nice sauce for salads, for meats. This is a new one. I've got the tomato marinara, new from Hungryroot. These are another great snack. Little hummus cups with chips that are actually made from chickpeas. Pea snaps, snap peas. Might dip those in the guacamole or the tahini, not sure which. These are the cauliflower pizza crusts. These are awesome. Some roasting vegetables with herbs. Mozzarella cheese. I've got some unlabeled broccoli slaw of some kind. Some organic grass-fed meatballs. Sweet baby broccoli. Another ginger shot. Just one treat, an unreal peanut butter and chocolate. Ooh, I actually got 2 of them. Then I've got some fresh fish. I've got 2 of the wild cod fillets. Now, one of these was supposed to be the Gulf shrimp, but I think that they must have run out because sometimes if they're out of stock on certain items, they'll try to replace it with something that they do have. But that's okay. This is gonna be really good. I'm actually taking this little ginger shot right now. I mostly taste the ginger. I don't really taste the turmeric as much. It does have a very earthy, peppery flavor. It's 30% ginger, so it is pretty strong, but it's gonna settle my stomach and make me feel a lot better. I wanted to share with you another product that I've been using, and this is from the people at Objective Wellness. It's called the Full Body Fix, and it's basically just a turmeric capsule. So look at the color on these. It's amazing. So in here is just turmeric extract and black pepper, and then of course whatever it takes to make it into a capsule. But it's very natural, very good, and these reduce swelling. So if you're feeling bloated or if you're trying to recover from a lot of physical activity, these are awesome because they do help your body, they help your joints, they reduce that inflammation in your body. So You can get these through Objective Wellness. I'll put a link in the description box. Back from the gym, post-workout, time to cook some lunch. Broccoli, I'm just gonna steam it a little bit, and then I'm gonna put it on this sheet pan with this wild-caught cod fillet and a little seasoning. I'm also gonna roast these veggies with herbs, sweet potato, turnips, rutabaga, rosemary, and thyme. So I pre-roasted the veggies a little bit, steamed the broccoli lightly, and then put the fish on there. Now this can all cook at the same temperature and be ready in like 10 minutes. If you want to give Hungryroot a try, take $25 off your first 2 boxes with coupon code 25OFFVINCE at checkout. That's a total savings of $50 off. Or if you've previously canceled your subscription, come back and try all the new things Hungryroot has to offer with a 20% discount using the link below to reactivate. There's new ingredients and recipes added each week, and your box is totally customizable based on your dietary needs or curiosity. So why not give it a try and eat fresh and healthy this fall? Don't forget to check out my other videos for Hungryroot unboxings and taste tests, and subscribe for more. See you next time.